Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Open Touch VPN, check the app version and your phone OS, update if needed. Next, turn off battery saver and remove data restrictions so the VPN can run in background. Grant network and VPN permissions when prompted. This lets encryption components load. Once done, restart the app to trigger its initialization. These steps prepare the app to re-enable encryption rather than blocking key services that cause the disabled state. Now you'll perform the middle, more detailed fixes. First, clear Touch VPN cache and data in app settings. This removes corrupted configuration. Reopen the app and sign in if required. If encryption is still off, delete any saved VPN profiles inside the app or system VPN settings and create a new profile with default options. If the app still shows encryption disabled, reset network settings on the device to clear stale routes and DNS entries. Then reboot. These actions rebuild the VPN state from scratch. Finish by re-establishing and validating the secure connection. Launch Touch VPN and connect to a nearby stable server. Watch for the encryption-enabled indicator or a connected/secure status message. Then run a quick IP and DNS leak check to ensure traffic is tunneled and encrypted. If encryption still shows disabled, reinstall the app, try a different server and protocol if available, or contact Touch VPN support with logs. One key tip: if problems persist, test on another network to rule out ISP.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.